Good day, children. I remain your teacher, Obike Mata. We'll be looking at Primary 1 Christian Religious Studies. And our topic is how to relate to one another. How to relate to others. How do you relate to others as a Christian? In our previous class, we explained who a Christian is. And we said that a Christian is someone that follows the teachings of Jesus Christ and his examples. So such a person is regarded as a Christian. Our Lord Jesus Christ taught us so many things when he was on earth. So anybody that follows his teaching and his example is regarded as a Christian. Our Lord Jesus Christ taught us how to forgive. Yes. If somebody beats you, you forgive the person. Don't say, no, he used to look for my trouble, and for that, I will not forgive him this time around. You are not a Christian. Your heart should be open to forgive. A Christian helps. You help one another. If someone is thirsty and the person doesn't have water and you have water, you're supposed to give the person water. That's what makes you what? A Christian. A good Christian is always eager to help. Then how do you relate with one another as a Christian? The first thing is playing together. Playing together. Playing together. So you relate by playing together. You don't say because she is not my friend, because we are not living together, for that I'm not going to play with him. As a Christian, you should play together. You play together, you do things together. You also read together. The next thing you do is to do what? You read together. Yes. Your teacher gave you homework. It is not good. Maybe you know that mathematics very well. You say, no, I will not do it in the class. I will wait. During break, I will do it alone so that others will not know what I'm doing. No, as a Christian, you do it what? Together. It is part of teaching of our Lord Jesus Christ. So you do things together. Yes, you read together. Then the next thing is you share together. Some children are stingy. Yes, you share together. Yes, sharing things together. You share your biscuits. You share your food. You share your textbook with your fellow children. Don't say because her mother don't used to greet my mother, or I don't know. Because of that, you will not share things together with such a person. You share things together. You share your biscuit together. You share things together. That is how to relate with one another. That is how to relate with one another. Then the last thing is you work together. Working together. Working together. Yes. As a Christian, you work together. You don't do things alone. You don't say, no, they ask us to sweep the class. I will sweep it alone. I don't want to sweep it anybody. You are not a Christian if you should act that way. So you sweep class together. You arrange things together. You do everything in unity. Because our Lord Jesus Christ did not teach us how to do things separately. His teaching was based on unity. So as a good child, you make sure that everything you are doing, you do it what? Together. Because Christianity is built on love. Thank you. We'll be ending here today. In our next class, we shall look at more interesting topic. Thank you. Bye.